We'll go in what's left of the bar front area first. The counter, whatever. That is what's left. Because here's where you came in. There's your counter for your shoes, rental, whatever, or the bar, whichever it was. Don't know. It's pretty tore up. Let me see if I can get the light up there a little better. That's it. Pretty tore up. Now to continue, my streak of bad bowling alley incidents. This was a bowling alley. It was. Yeah. Here's the steps down. The old bowling alley used to have. You're sitting down here. And all your machines would be down here. But they're gone. Even all the lanes are gone. Stripped. Down to concrete. Or tile. Stripped down to the tile. But there's one thing left to show it used to be a bowling alley. And yes, you would think I would just give up on bowling alleys, wouldn't you, by now? Yes, this place is in horrid shape. The ceiling is very skylighty. Look at this. The old bowling alley seating still left in 3 places. Right here. The old stuff. Sit down. Bowl right here. People next to you. Down. There they are. Look at that. Isn't that freaky? Me and bowling alleys, I swear, guys. Ah, the old seats. See, be sitting here, you step down, return machine be down here, ball come up, and there's your hot lane. You're bowling straight down. Right down there in the nowheres. In a couple places. Isn't that freaky as crap? There's a couple of the old seating setups. Strange how stripped it is except for these. It's like it was just made to come and be pictured. There are pictures of this on the internet. I've always wanted to find this place. You know, I knew kind of what it might look like. Because once again, you always want to see it for yourself. Jeez. Isn't that crazy? Big and small, guys, we do explore it all. We want to see everything. Shawn's right. It is so weird how out of everything, just some of these are left. No bowling ball. No bowling pins. No bowling lanes, machines, nothing left. Barely a building left above us if you look. And you can see the trees moving through. Yeah. Oh yeah, the trees growing in here too. Yeah. And I just knew this was a bowling alley from the exterior. I just love bowling alleys. Well, that's gonna be pretty much it for this little explore, guys. Unless I see something cool. But to me, this was worth walking in for. Oh, what the heck? See this? I didn't see this before. Oh my god. Oh, that is so cool. To contact counter, press button, order attendant will answer or something. For waitress, raise side lever. As a courtesy to the next party, please inform counter 5 minutes before finishing bowling. That is cool. I've never seen one of these. Raise lever. Raise side lever. Well, I don't see a side lever to raise to call my waitress. Little light on the back that lit up when they put the lever up. So, yeah. Okay.
I think that they're just talking about the switch that you're flipping on the side.
I don't know, that just made it double cool to me. Yeah, probably just turns the light on the back, you say? Never seen that. That's it. Walked into this place, knowing about it was going to be stripped, but didn't know I was going to see that. Huh. Worth it. Did see these. The old cup holders and Food holders still sitting in.
Yeah, see?
Everything can drop.
It's like fucking daylight.
Woohoo! That's still pretty cool. Look at that, just sitting there. Wow. Never thought I'd run into this place, but I always wanted to. Always wanted to. You know, I said we were leaving. We are. Just giddy. Wow. Sometimes it's just the little things that matter, guys. Love the old bottle stuck in the mold, in the growth. Oh, the desk was right here. There's a raised platform. Here's the desk. Oh, definitely gotta go behind where the desk was. I don't know, it's hard to be upset about this, really. Jeez. So that was the bar in there. Too bad. Oh, the tile?
Yeah, they don't do that.
Shawn likes the tile.
They don't do that type of tiling.
I think it was all over the walls, too, at one time.
Well, it was on the floor. There's that. And
Let me
look at
grab.
the type of tiling there is on the floor.
Yep.
It's like an old brick type shit.
It is. You're right. The old brick, look. Faux brick. Yeah, Shawn likes this. Little ceramic tiles. It is pretty cool. Old ceramics. Look at that. I was looking for a bowling ball out here or something. Nothing. Yeah. I was hoping. I don't see any. Long ago, bud. Long, long ago. That has made me happy as hell. I've seen that picture like 2-3 years ago on the internet. And I've always wondered where the hell they got that picture. Always wondered someday if I would run into that picture. Like you said, it's funny how out of the whole place, that's left. Thank you. That one area is left in there.
What makes it even weirder is the seats are like literally underneath where the roof is caved in. It's like a sign from the heavens.
The exploring gods do smile upon us, Shawn. Just giddy. You know, I said we were leaving. We are. Just giddy.